Hi Storm, you ask if there are a restaurant in Belgium. Well, and foreign. So there are restaurant everywhere in the country, and you can eat Italian food, Chinese food, French food, and that's all. Someone won't speak.
You can eat also halal food. It's I don't know if you know that, but it's food. It's food for uh, Muslim people. It doesn't. It didn't add pork inside this.
Sometimes we call Chinese restaurants, but there are also Korean food and Japanese food in the same restaurant. So it's all Asiatic food.
You can also eat African food, uh, especially in a street in Namur, and in the streets there are just African restaurant, and it's very good.
You wanted to know what sports or Storm, you wanted to know what sports were the most popular in Belgium. Well, I don't know a lot of things about sport in Belgium, but I think that football, basketball, tennis, and badminton are pretty popular here.
Hello. For me, the more famous sport in Belgium is the football with Red Devils and the hockey with the Red Lions. And it's the best sport for me.
Like Colin said, the tennis is quite popular in Belgium. We had a lot of very good players before, and now, actually, we have, for example, David Goffin, a very good Belgium tennis player.
I bounce back on what Valentin said. Uh, there is also a good woman who play tennis. His name is Elise Mertens, and she 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 reached until the semi-finals in the Open of Australia this year, and I think football is the most popular sport in Belgium because the Belgian players who play in other country is the best player.
Hi, Storm and Emma. You wanted to know if we had pets and wild animals in Belgium. Well, I think we have some wild animal, but not rare species. We just have some fox, some rabbits, and I don't see much other things. In pets, we have a large gams of choice. We have dog, cats, birds, goldfish. I think we can have anything as pets now. Some people always have. Oh, they can have snakes as pets too. Bye.
In Belgium, we have wild boar, and sometimes they come in our garden, and they break everything, the grass, and it's very sad.
And also in circuses, sometimes we can find lions, elephants, and those kind of animals.
In my house, I've got 2 dogs, 2 cats. I don't know how many chicken, a goat, 5, I think. 2 dame and a rabbit.
Emma, you asked what we do during the weekend. Personally, I just hang out with friends, or I go into some party, and I just see friends and my girlfriend, and that's all.
During the weekend, I'm going to a department store. I work in Lidl. It's a food store, and I earn a lot of money, and it's a good choose.
For the people who are in a sport club, on Saturday they do a match or training.
And don't forget, work for school.
I don't know if you know, but in Belgium the weather is not always good. But when the weather allows it, I take a ride with my bike because when the weather is good, Belgium is a very great country.
For myself, I don't do anything special, but I play game in my house and sometimes I play outdoor when the sun shines and when it's much hot. Hello Emma, you asked snow it in the Belgium. Yes, it snow, but not a lot. We didn't ski in the Belgium or in the indoor, and it's a sad, but it's the life.
Ce qu'ils te font. Du coup, bon, c'est pas grave. Ouais, bah, c'est pas facile. Ah, okay. Robin make a mistake in the bottom channel. We can ski, but he snow very a lot, and it's oh, je sais plus quoi dire. J'ai oublié.
Yes, we can ski there, but it's less funny than in the mountain, of course, because the few are less big.
In winter, there is snow, and in summer, the sunshine. So in winter, it was very cold, and in winter, there is 30 degrees. Oui, in summer, sorry.
Last time it snows on Christmas, I think it was in 2008. I don't know. So as you can guess, it's not currently thing. In Belgium, it rains more than it snows because we don't have a colder temperature enough to have snows, or at least great snows. It's just some rain crystallized and fall down and just go away as fast as it falls.
The last time I said Oh, Emma, hello. The last time I said we have to be 18 to drive, but I'm not very angry because you forgot. It's not a problem.
I think, if I'm not misunderstanding, you have to be 16 years old to pass the theory test, but you only can drive good. When you're 18.
Yes, at 17, you are allowed to drive with your parents, and after at 18, you are allowed to drive alone in the car.
When you get your driving license at 18, you can drive but alone. You can't take anybody with you unless you were 21, because you have to have some times during for the experience.
I think Justin had a mistake. So it's 18 and you can drive alone or with a friend. So I've got a permis. I've got my driving license for moto bike. So and now I study for pass my driving license for a car.